Hello everyone and welcome back to our new tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your smartwatch 9 with iOS. So as you can see, we have the app in front of us. We have WearFit 2.0, which is the app that we will use today. You can see you can log in if you have an account, or you have to register, and you have the option to third-party login. We are going to enter it directly because it's much easier for us. We have 3 pages down below. At the third page, mine, we have connection management. Here, press bind bracelet, and you can see immediately it found some of the watches that are in our room, and one of them is smartwatch 9. Press it and see and wait to connect. As you can see, it's that easy. Press pair again, it's connected. You have to allow for notification and other stuff. The time is synchronized. You can see device management, which says connected, and we have the percentage of battery. At the first page of this app, we have some of the most useful things. As you can see, one key measurements, we will see that later. We have the statistic for steps, as you can see today, or you can see for the whole week. We have same for sleep. You can see sleep duration, sleep quality, deep sleep and light sleep. Also we have day, week or month. And after that we have the blood pressure. As you can see, you can real-time measure your blood pressure, heart rate and blood oxygen. These are all the same. You can see the data is right down here. So these are the health caring option that you have the data or measurements. We have here heart rate for day, week, month, and we have all the statistics. In the second page we have here some of the options that we can't access without an account. That's unfortunate, but if you log in, you would see them. These are just a few bonuses, not some options. At the third page we saw before, as you can see, we have here height, weight and target. Also we have here at the personal information, personal data, you can see quite a few options. So you have to go ahead and fill this up carefully with your own personal information so you get more accurate data. These are quite a few interesting steps and important as well. So we are at the device management. Let's see the fine bracelet. As you can see, it vibrates and powers on the watch itself, and we have a shake to take a picture, which works not all the time. I'm not sure if I'm shaking it wrong, and as you can see, in the second time it works. So I was shaking it wrong, you have to shake it sideways. So it works pretty good. You can see we have connection management that we saw before, intelligent reminder, call reminder, SMS reminder and app reminder as well, do not disturb, sanitary reminder, and these kind of reminders. We have raise to bright the screen, dial settings. You can see we have 3 options that we downloaded. You can download more. We have firmware update, and this basically is what we have in the software of the WearFit 2.0. You can see right now we are waiting for a notification. Let's see how it does. And you can see the notification works pretty good. We allowed that before. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.